Yan. Yo. Kala mo kung barkada lang no? Syempre, ito seryoso na. Happy Mother's Day, ma. Okay, pagbibigyan kita kasi lagi mo na lang pinapaulit-ulit na mas maganda ka sa akin. Kaya, sige na nga. Dito na kita papatiin kasi alam naman natin na medyo mahiyain ako. Diba? Joke. Hi, ma. Happy Mother's Day. Just want to say thank you for the things you've done for us. Susulitin ko na to patidrama ko kasi minsan lang to sa isang taon. So anyways, how will I start? Eto, sa dami kong gustong sabihin, I don't know how to start. Okay, seryoso na. Ma, thank you for being my all-in-one mom. All-in-one kasi you can be my mom, my dad, my friend, my best friend, my enemy, my sister, my hero, my fan, my idol, and so on. I love you very, very much, ma. We might fight every day, but I still love you. And I want you to remember that no matter what happened, at the end of the day, I will always be here. So, thank you for your endless ceremonies kasi kung hindi dahil doon, hindi kompleto ang araw ko. Joke. Yan. Thank you kasi lagi ka andyan para sa akin, para sa amin. Alam ng lahat na mahirap maging stage mom, pero ikaw, ini-enjoy mo. At the same time, alam ko, nagsasawa ka na sa paulit-ulit na pagsasermon sa amin. Yan. Thank you for sharing your experiences. You know me how to be like you. You know me how to be strong like you. Thank you for being strong for us. Alam ko kung ano yung pinagdadaanan mo. Pero andyan ka pa rin, lumalaban. Yan. Hindi ka sumusuko para sa amin, para sa atin. Sorry for the disappointments. Sorry kung hindi na ako yung dating May na sweet, malamping. Sorry if I can't be the daughter you want to be, and thank you for accepting who I am. I owe you a lot, ma. Thank you for everything. Hindi ko na siya maiisa-isa kasi sa sobrang dami ba naman. But I want you to know na sobra kong na-appreciate lahat ng sinasacrifice mo for us. Basta, thank you, ma. Thank you sa lahat. I love you, ma. Really, really do. Happy Mother's Day sa'yo, ma. Alam mo naman na, yan, mahihain ako, kaya dito na kita